Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Quick Class, the easiest place to improve your English speaking confidence step by step. And listen carefully. If you practice with me every single day, even for just 10 minutes, within 30 days, you'll start speaking English more naturally, more confidently, and without fear. Yes, seriously. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need expensive courses. You just need daily speaking practice. So today, stay with me till the end. Practice every sentence loudly and don't skip the speaking part. Also, I have a small challenge for you today. After watching this video, comment below, "Yes, I can speak English." Let's build confidence together. Today's topic is how to speak English at a supermarket. This is real-life English that people use every single day in supermarkets, grocery stores, and shopping malls. Simple English, natural English, useful English. So let's begin. Imagine you enter a supermarket for the first time. A worker smiles and says, "Worker, hello, can I help you?" You, "Yes, I'm looking for milk." Worker, "It's in aisle 5. You, "Thank you so much." Very easy, right? Now, repeat after me slowly. I'm looking for milk.
Again, I'm looking for milk. Excellent. Now imagine you cannot find bread. What will you say? You can say, "Excuse me, where can I find bread?" Worker, "It's near the bakery section." You, "Okay, thank you." Very natural English. Most beginners stay silent because they are afraid of mistakes. But remember, mistakes are part of learning English. Even fluent speakers make mistakes sometimes. The important thing is, keep speaking. Now, let's learn another useful sentence. Instead of saying only, "Bread where?" speak full English sentences confidently. Say, "Excuse me, where can I find bread?" This sounds polite, natural, and confident. Now, imagine you are shopping. You put fruits, snacks, drinks, noodles, and vegetables into your basket. After shopping, you go to the cashier. Cashier, "Hello, did you find everything?" "Yes, thank you." Cashier, "Do you need a bag?" "Yes, please." Cashier, "Cash or card?" "Card, please." Cashier, "Please tap your card here." "Sure." Cashier, "Here's your receipt." "Thank you. Have a nice day." "You too." Amazing. This is exactly how daily English conversations happen in real life. Now, let's practice together. I want you to repeat every sentence after me loudly. Ready? Do you need a bag? Card, please. Where can I find bread? Can I help you? Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Very good.
Now, let's do a longer conversation together. Cashier, "Hello, how are you today?" You, "I'm good, thank you. How about you?" Cashier, "I'm doing well. Did you find everything you needed?" You, "Yes, everything was easy to find." Cashier, "Great. Your total is $25. You, "Okay. Can I pay by card?" Cashier, "Of course." You,
Thank you. Cashier, have a wonderful day. You too. Excellent job. Now, listen carefully. Many students think English is difficult because they try to learn difficult vocabulary first. That is the wrong way. Fluent English starts with simple daily conversations like this: coffee shop English, restaurant English, bus English, supermarket English. Daily English is the key to fluency. And another important thing: do not only watch English videos. Speak with the video. Pause the video.
Repeat the sentences. Copy the pronunciation. This is how your speaking improves faster. Now, let's practice pronunciation one more time. Repeat after me. Excuse me, where can I find milk? Do you need a bag? Cash or card? Here's your receipt. Have a nice day. Perfect. You are improving already. And remember, confidence comes from practice. The more you speak, the more comfortable English becomes. So from today, promise yourself something. Practice English every single day. Even 10 minutes is enough. Because small daily practice creates big improvement over time. And if you stay connected with Quick Class for the next 30 days, practice every lesson with me and speak confidently every day. I promise you, your English speaking confidence will improve a lot. You'll start understanding more English. You'll start speaking more naturally. And most importantly, you'll stop being afraid of speaking English. So subscribe now, turn on the notification bell, and join the Quick Class family today. And before you leave, go to the comments and write, "Yes, I can speak English." I'll be waiting for your comment.